Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. How to fix laptop case cracking, a comprehensive guide. Laptop cases, especially those made of plastic, are prone to cracking due to wear and tear, accidental drops, or stress from hinges and screws. A cracked case not only looks unsightly but can also compromise the structural integrity of your laptop, potentially exposing internal components to dust, debris, and even damage. While a professional repair might be the best option for severe damage or if you're uncomfortable with DIY repairs, many cracks can be effectively fixed at home with the right tools, materials, and a bit of patience. This tutorial will guide you through the process of assessing the damage, choosing the appropriate repair method, and performing the repair safely and effectively. We'll cover several approaches, from simple adhesive solutions to more involved plastic welding techniques. While we won't be writing code directly for this hardware repair, we'll include examples of how to use scripting, in Python, to help you organize your repair process, track progress, and